All right, so we got a Beamer something 330. This is not a specific brand or model issue. So the problem is the vehicle won't run after the serpentine belt breaks. So it's kind of a far-fetched way out there one, but allegedly the serpentine belt gets wrapped up behind the crank pulley there, and little pieces of it get sucked through the front shaft seal, down into the oil pan, picked up, and then distributed through the engine. So see here, here's one of the VCT actuators, and there are little chunks of serpentine belt all up inside there. And this is not set up, this is legit. This is how we found it like that. Not gonna be able to get a shot here, but down there's the holes where the actuator goes, totally full of this crap. So the symptom is that crank no start, but there's fuel and there's no spark. So the way that we understand it is that the oil pressure drops from the screen being plugged, which then starves the actuators and the chain tensioners, causing the chains to go slack, which then throws off the timing, and also the low oil pressure. The sensor tricks the PCM into not allowing the vehicle to start. See here, a bunch of belt pieces over there due to oil leakage. So your oil leak caused your belt to shred, which then caused you to need major engine overhaul work. Sweet.